In this video, you will be informed about 9 best Linux app alternatives. Transitioning from Windows to Linux. Boost your computing experience with alternative apps. Linux may not be as popular as Windows or macOS, but it offers a number of apps that both mimic and improve your everyday Windows use. Among the best Windows app alternatives on Linux is LibreOffice. A great replacement for Microsoft Office, LibreOffice allows you to open and edit documents, presentations, and more. It's open source, free, and comes pre-installed on many Linux distributions. For the creative minds, Gimp is an excellent alternative to Adobe Photoshop. This open-source image editing application offers many of the same features as Photoshop, while being less resource-intensive. Gimp is perfect for those needing to edit photos on Linux. For video editing, consider Kadenlive. This free video editor comes packed with professional features, allowing you to add effects, transitions, and titles. Kadenlive is a potent alternative to apps like iMovie and Clipchamp on Windows and macOS. VLC Media Player is a great substitute for the Windows Media Player. This open-source app can handle a wide range of audio and video formats and is a reliable choice for music and video playback. Krita serves as a fantastic alternative to Microsoft Paint. This app offers numerous brushes and tools to help bring out your inner artist. It's an excellent choice for quick photo editing and sketching. EverSticky is a fantastic replacement for the Sticky Notes app. It allows you to save important notes on your workspace and sync them up with Evernote. This feature-rich app is perfect for jotting down important information. If a traditional notepad application is what you prefer, Gedit is the way to go. Similar to Microsoft Notepad, Gedit is popular among programmers for its syntax highlight option. This free and easy-to-use app is a staple for Linux users. If you're dealing with zipped files or any file that needs to be extracted in Linux, 7-Zip is an app to download. It's pretty similar to WinZip and WinRAR on Windows. With this app, you'll be able to extract important files in no time. Finally, manage your disk partitions with GParted. This Linux alternative to Windows DiskPart allows you to create and manage disk partitions safely. GParted even offers a bootable image for editing system drives.